Yeah.
All right. So good. Any questions on that? All right. Let's do the next one. It says Townsend Realty purchased the Glenview Street property and received a 40% discount off of the original price, along with an additional 20% discount price for purchasing the property in cash. Which of the following best approximates the original price in dollars? So I don't know what the price was, right? So this is what it was. It was like X, right? But then I had to subtract 40%. So they received a 40% discount off of the original price, right? So we would get minus 0.4 times X, right? So that's one price. And then on top of that, they got an additional 20%. But was the additional 20% off of this or the original price? Huh?
It's 20% off the discounted price.
Yeah. So now we can do it this way, but when you add that up, what does that become? If I say 1x minus 0.4x, isn't that the same as 0.6x? All right. So right off the bat, if we could write it like this, we could say 0.6x, because x is the original price, and then you're going to get a discount off of that of how much? 20%. So if they subtract 20, what can I multiply this by? In other words, if I get a 20% discount off of this, aren't I really just paying like 80%?
Yeah.
So couldn't I do like 0.8? I'm trying to think of a quick, easy way to do this, right? So we're going to say 0.6, which is the complement of 40%, which is what I'm actually paying. And then I get a 20% discount, but 0.8 is actually the complement of that. So if I say 0.8 times 0.6 times the original price, then I get 0.48 times X, where X is the original price. All right, so which of the following best approximates the original price? Does it tell us what they paid?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Where?
in the chart.
Oh, okay, yeah. Sorry, it's off my screen. So what did they pay? 140, right? So this has to equal 140. Okay. So what do I do? Yeah, I'm going to divide both sides by 0.48, divide by 0.48. Somebody with your calculator, tell me what that is. Is it 291,000?
Yeah. Close to that.
Now we could have gotten that. I was going to do a real complicated way. I was going to do the 1 minus the 0.4 and then another thing minus the other thing. We still would have ended up with the 0.48.
Didn't you just get the price they paid and add 40% and then add 20%?
No, because the 40% of the price they paid is not the same as the discount. All right, it's got to be 40% of the original price because that's what's discounted.
What's the original price?
That's what
we found.
Yeah. So the percentage is of the original price.
Here's where you got the 0.6.
Well, the 0.6, so they got a 40% discount, which is 0.4,
Yeah.
right? So they have the original price, 1x minus 0.4x. Well, that's 0.6x, right? So this is the discount, and this is what they actually paid. And since the question is, and so the two will always complement each other. So now this is what they were supposed to pay, but in addition to that, whatever this is, they got 0.2 of this
Yeah. Okay.
taken away, right?
Yep.
Well, this is the same thing. This is same, you know, like this could be 1 times smiley face minus 0.2 smiley face, right?
Yeah.
Where smiley face equals 0.6x. So what's that? 0.8 smiley face. Well, what was smiley face? This right here. So you have 0.8 times 0.6 times x. And that's how we got the 0.48. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
I'll leave that in a video.
Wait. How did you get the 0.8?
What's 1 minus 0.2?
Okay. Well, 1 minus 0.5, okay, we need
Right. So if I get a 20% discount, what do I really pay? I pay 80%.
Okay.
If I get a 40% discount, what do I really pay? I pay 60% of the original price. So the two will always add up to 100. The number 1 represents 100%,
Gotcha.
right?
Yep.
Does that make sense? And you guys remember that that's the complement, right? In probability, you can't have more than 100% probability. Well, I guess no, you can't. I don't want to get go off into la la land on that, but
Lola?
you can. No.
Yeah.
So your complement and the probability. So for example, a discount, you can't. In most cases, is how I should word it. In most cases, when you get a discount on something, there's 100% of the price, and then you're going to subtract the discount, and whatever that discount is, if you take the original price and multiply it by the complement, you'll get what you're actually paying.
Gotcha.
Okay. All right. Let's go on to the next one.